Tips and Gel X do you use? Today's Gel X application video, I'm going to be using Gel X Easy. I found them on Amazon not too long ago, but their medium almond are my most requested tips. I start off with pushing up the cuticles with the sanding band, quickly going in with the nippers, cutting only what is lifted up. Using Gel X short almonds, we're just going to be size matching. Like always, make sure the tips fit sidewall to sidewall. I am a big fan of these tips because they are pre-etched, and I'm going to be using their 6-in-1 glue gel. Cover the inside of the tip with the gel and leave some excess, and apply the tips close to the cuticles. Flash cure for 15 seconds and then cure in the big lamp for 60. After you have all 10 tips applied, go in with your sanding band and buff off the shine. Next, take your ceramic tapered bit and seal the cuticles. This is literally the most crucial part. To seal those cuticles even more, take acetone and a brush to melt the Gel X tips into the nails. I'm going to go in with 2 coats of this BW04 for the base color, and with their white gel liner, I'm going to be creating Frenchies on 3 of the fingers. Paint a couple flowers on and you have a really cute set for summer.